These are the spark plugs that I will be using. I just need to gap them to 0.8 millimeter. To do that, you will need a filler gauge. Fit the gauge in between the tip of the spark plug and then make sure that it's going smoothly but with slight resistance. I'm doing it by gently tapping the tip of the spark plug on the hammer. Always tighten them first turns by hand. Next step would be to apply this heat reflective material on my coolant lanes and my oil lanes. This is gonna be my oil return line. So this is the filter, air filter for now. Down there you can see the main oil drain line, coolant lane. On the right to it there's another coolant lane. First one goes into the T-piece to the thermostat, the second one goes into the water pump, and the drain is connected to the sump, waiting for the bubbles to come out, and then I'll top it up tomorrow. And now I can put a vacuum line from the manifold. I'm just gonna use the standard blanked nipple there. We're gonna need to put it behind the engine through the cowl. I'm gonna use this one where the wires are. I'm gonna need it for our ECU, for a map sensor, and also for the boost gauge. This is 4mm vacuum hose. Next thing on the list will be washer bottle. I'm gonna be using the old coolant container. It's aluminium. I bought it for like 20 quid of eBay. This is the oil catch can. The first hose goes to the rocker cover breather, and the second one is connected to the PCV valve. It's designed to catch all the extra oil that's gonna come out from the rocker cover with the extra pressure that turbo is gonna be generating.